Hey guys, welcome back in this new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Ubuntu, that is an Unix based operating system, without using any ISO file or VMware or VirtualBox. So first thing you have to do is to go on Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu. After searching you will see Ubuntu and you just have to install it. After it is installed, you just have to launch. After you have launched it, it will take some time to install.
Have you heard the new song for More Plastic? Well, here goes. I shall pray for you.
After it is installed, you just have to give a random username. I will give it Divansh 9876, and then you just have to set a new password and then retype the password for confirmation. If you face any difficulty to install it, then you can go to the link that is given at the top. So now I will install a tool that's which is Black Eye, and it is used for creating phishing page. So I will copy it and git clone the command which you use in Kali Linux or Parrot OS as well. It will start cloning it. After it is installed, just the thing you have to install is PHP, because it requires PHP to create fake web pages. So you just have to type sudo in front of that command and then type the password. After that it will start downloading PHP for our Unix machine. So here's an error. So first you have to run an update. Just copy and paste. So instead of run, you just have to type sudo. That is to make sure that you are a root. You are running as root. It will start installing update. After it is installed, then you should try to install PHP. So after it is installed, you are ready to use Black Eye. For using it, you just have to give some permission for giving permission, you can type chmod plus x and then blackeye.sh. So you can see the color is changed and the permissions are given. So then you just have to type bash dot blackeye.sh, and here is the tool working. So you can create fake web pages, phishing pages for these websites. And thanks for watching this video, and please be careful that you use this tool for legal purposes.